Hello everyone. So this video is all about myths of test automation. In this video, we will cover all the major myths about test automation. So let's begin with our first and most common myth. So first myth is if you are doing automation testing, then there is no need of manual testing. In my career span, I have seen many people eliminating manual testing completely and just relying on automation testing, which is what you should not do. So here question arises, are these automation tools really do testing? So according to me, checking is something which you can automate. Testing is something which requires intelligence, and people are way more intelligent than these tools. Moving on to second myth, achieving 100% coverage by test automation. So another common myth is to automate everything, literally everything in your application. There is no way 100% automation possible considering there are n number of permutation and combination. So here, considering a scenario, can you automate, can you achieve 100% testing? Logical answer is no. So if 100% testing itself is not achievable, how you can achieve 100% automation? So another scenario which come into picture is there is something which developed to be not automatable, like your barcode. So these kind of thing developed to check whether your application is being used by human or being used by computer. So these kind of scenarios you should not be considered as part of your automation. These kind of scenarios should be tested as manually. Now let's move on to third myth. So another myth is that defect detection rate from automation should be higher. For automation testing, proper objective should be defined. Efficiency is where automation plays a major role. Goal from automation testing should not be finding more bugs, but should be more coverage. So automation tests are really good at catching regression issues, and the number of regression issues in most cases tends to be far less than new functionality that is being developed. So hence our goal from automation should be covering more scenarios rather than only finding bugs. So now let's move on to another scenario. So this is not actually a myth, but this is something which you should be clear from the day one so that it won't lead you to disappointment in your automation journey. So most difficult part of your test automation journey is to live up to expectations from management. Hence, it is very important to set realistic goals and expectations to avoid any kind of disappointment. So from day one, you should let your management understand the limitation of automation testing and set the realistic goals so that it will help you in your automation journey and you can excel in your test automation journey. So in the end, I would like to thank you all people. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos on test automation.